guys, good morning. Today is Saturday and today is a very special day for us because uwi yung ate namin from Dubai and after 8 years, ngayon na siya magbabakasyon dito. So, we are so excited to see her later. Ang arrival niya dito is 8 a.m. in the morning and magpa-prepare na ako yun. Actually, wala pa akong sleep kasi umuwi na rin ako ng bahay and natulog ako nung super late na kasi nga fix my room dito sa kabila. So nag-adjust ako yung lumipat dito sa kabilang room kasi nga I just want her to rest kasi nga pagpapahit kailangan niya magpahinga. She's tired and alam mo naman pag OFW talaga kailangan work lang all the time and there's no rest for us kasi na-experience ko din naman maging OFW, so rest is important for us talaga. So right now I'm currently here in my new home. Actually hindi pa siya tapos and compare yun sa kwarto ko sa kabila, mas mas maliit and it's good for one person only. So yeah, magpe-prepare na din ako. I'm still waiting kila mama and sa mga kapatid ko. Yan lang. Have a good day ahead. Yeah. Bye guys. See you. So hey guys, right now I'm preparing. So punta na kami sa airport in a bit. So yes, I'm gonna use this one. Favorite ko perfume ko.
Hi guys, we're here in SLEX sa Shell and we're going to buy something. Titingin lang kami sa Adidas outlet at Nike store.
Today I just came home and galing ako sa barbershop to get my new haircut. I don't know if it looks good but for me it's basic. Pinatanggal ko na yung long back because it's not giving anymore. And today I feel like the weather is not good. It's gloomy and feeling ko uulan. Ayokong tumakbo outside kasi madaming sasakyan sa labas and I'm wearing my AirPods all the time. So yeah, maybe maglalakad na ako today. So yeah, let's see later.
So hey guys, I'm just done running. Nandito ako ngayon sa Binyan Sports Center and this is my first time here to run. Super na-overwhelm ako sa dami na nagwa-walking and nagra-running here. And mga cute na batang pa-practice ng football. And yeah, okay naman yung oval. So hi guys, today I'm so happy because I hit my 15k steps. So I know I can't believe na kaya kong mag-walk ng ganun kalayo. Because most of the time parang nagwa-walk ako like 8,000 to 9,000 lang. Hindi ko siya kinukomplete na 10k because I'm still going to the gym and nakilos pa ako dito sa bahay. So right now I'm so happy because yeah, nahit ko siya kasi bawal ngayon pumunta sa Centennial kasi mag-uundas and bawal sila mag-accommodate ng tao doon. So sa labas lang ako naglalakad like sa Garden Villas, then pupunta sa Kanluran, then paikot ng Balibago, Makabling, like that. So yeah, I'm so happy today and super haba nung na lakad ko. And yeah. So what's up guys? Today is our Halloween party and I'm so excited if ano yung costume ko. Actually, I don't have any idea sa costume ko but I'm so excited kasi papahiramin ako ng friend ko, yung handler ko before when I was in Ginoong Pok, which is Meet. He's a friend of mine but yun, supportive friend. So let's see mamaya. I'm so excited if ano yung mangyayari. I have to meet my friends then. Sundin ko yung cousin ko and si Damara. And yeah, I'm so excited. So, see you later.
Paano yung tunog ng cat? Meow. Lion. Okay, ano tunog ng lion?
So hey guys, I just came home and I'm so fucking drunk right now. And I have a lot of gifts. My Halloween gifts. Look. Super na-enjoy ko yung Halloween party. And also my costume. It's savage. Face. I'm so fucking tipsy. But I'm happy. Sana laging ganito. I want to spend more time with them, with your friends, and sana sa family din, gano'n. And yeah, I'm so happy today. And
I will just take a shower and I'm going to sleep because today is my rest day, it's my recovery day, it's weekend. So my Friday night is so fulfilling and I'm so happy. As in, no words. So happy. Look at my fucking face. I'm so happy. This is my favorite one. Actually, my friend Kais and Alex gave me one pendant and one elephant. Hahanapin ko pa siya. Then, ano ko dito, ilalagay ko sa dito sa table ko. Thus, it reminds me of them. So, good night. Go to sleep. And also, I'm so thankful for Nick kasi he gave so much effort, like for the makeup, the costume, as in super na-appreciate ko si Nick kasi every time nahihingi ako ng tulong sa kanya, example for celebration, for some gatherings like birthdays or kung ano-ano mang event, he always there for me to parang ayusin ako, and ginagawa niya talaga yung best niya and effort para mabigyan ako ng magandang isusuot. Basta, I'm so happy to have Mick also on top. Kaya kayo guys, if magpapajan kayo sa POC, kay Mick kayo, he's number one. As in, he's very mabait and also smart when it comes to pageantry. So yeah, thank you Mick, love you. So what's up guys, finally I ended my week na super fulfilling and super happy kasi I had a lot of things na gawa, and ang daming events and there's a lot of activities there. Ang daming nangyari this past few weeks, so feeling ko super na busy ako and I spend more time with my friends and also with my family. So, I'm really happy and of course, syempre, grateful sa lahat ng bagay na nangyayari ngayon sa buhay ko. And yeah, I'm so happy kasi ang dami ko nagagawa. My day is so productive and also, ang dami rin nakaka-appreciate sa vlog ko. Although it's not serious naman, but I really love to, alam mo yan, to make vlogs, like daily vlogs or weekly vlogs. Because pag tumanda na ako, may papanoorin ako. It's just a memories. And I hope this vlog reminds you to pause on everything. Like, we need to rest also. No rush, no pressure. Just chill. And just be you. So, that's all guys. See you on my next vlog. See you on my next adventure. Mwah.